Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today another day, brand new day on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, January the 19th, 2022. And here we have three regular Sudokus. The binary. The regular binary, the regular Sudoku Medium, and the killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. Yes. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with 6 extra puzzles. 6 extra puzzles. First one is a letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars, the 3 stars, the 4 stars tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. Total of 6 extra puzzles, and those puzzles I'm not interested, and half of them I will solve. So 3 puzzles I will solve, and here the 3 regular Sudokus I will solve. So we have 6 puzzles to go. Yes. And what's the news for today? Let me see. Yeah. Well, these past days, it's I don't know if you know the program The Voice. Well, yeah, this man is the owner of The Voice, a program on TV. Well, a few guys has done bad things with the ladies. And well, you can read it all about in the news. But first, this regular binary number 4001. Yes, yesterday we have number 4K, and this will be number 4001. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 1s and 5 O's. So let's get started. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. 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 Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Let me see. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then, let me count 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me count. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Let me see. Double O, here 1, there 1. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. So this box should be no. Okay. Now we have in this column an O and a 1 there with between two empty boxes. I know there is always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and the fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Okay. Alright. Here the same. I know between a 1 and an O with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. So this box should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. O's, and this is number 5. Okay, between two O's comes an 1, between two 1s comes an O. Now we have 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O, between two O's comes an 1, between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. And I know between an 1 and an O, with two empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, the fourth O, and the fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Well. And now. We have here, same story. No. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. The fifth O should be in one of those two boxes, because we have a 1 and an O with two empty boxes between, so there's always an O and a 1 there. So this is the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and a fifth O. So those two boxes should be a 1. Okay. Between two 1s comes an O. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Finish in 8 minutes. Great binary, and I like this one. Yes, without comparing. And yeah, if you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku it will be. So see you then. Bye bye for now.